actually a family.
And I'm working with a great team of guys, and we're having a good time down there.
This time's a little painless up there.
Payback time. I'm the first person in film history to shoot this weapon handheld. Not even Rambo can say that.
The rest of us standing there with our measly little automatic weapons, opening them up on the jungle, and Bill Duke wound up with old Painless and mowed down half of Mexico.
Firing mechanisms right back here. Shoots off of there. And see, all these barrels will spin towards my left.